Okay, so we're looking for the two recipes that have the same proportion of pineapple juice to punch. So our pineapple juice, how much pineapple juice we have, is going to be our top number, and our punch is going to be our bottom number. All right, so we have this table right here that we're going to be looking at. And recipe 1 says that we have 2 cups of pineapple juice for 5 cups of punch. Recipe 2, actually we're not going to put an equal sign because that's not equal. There we go. Recipe 2 says that we have 7.2 cups of pineapple juice for 20 cups of punch. And then recipe 3 says that it has 6.4 cups of pineapple juice for 16 cups of punch. All right, so now what we're going to do is simplify these fractions or ratios. And I think the easiest way to look and see if 2 of these have the same proportion is to turn these into decimals. We went over this a little, actually quite a bit in class, how to turn a fraction into a decimal. Do you remember how to do that? We divide this top number by our bottom number, right? So to turn this fraction into a decimal, you do 2 divided by 5. All right, type that in your calculator and see what you get. 2 divided by 5, and you get 0.4. And then let's do the same thing with the next one. Type this fraction into your calculator. 7.2 divided by 20, and you get 0.36. That's what you should get. And then the next one, go ahead and type this in your calculator. 6.4 divided by 16. 6.4 divided by 16. And what do you get? 0.4. Now, to see if 2 of these recipes have the same proportion, we're going to look at these numbers right here and see if 2 of them are the same. Well, we've got this 0.4 right here, and we've got a 0.4 right here, right? So these 2 are the same, and that would be recipe 1 and recipe 3. So let's go back to our question, and let's put in 1 and 3. There it is. So now it says recipe 1 and recipe 3 have the same proportion of pineapple juice to punch. Yes, we just figured that out. Now, for these 2 recipes, the unit rate of pineapple juice to punch is what? Unit rate, what is that? Well, the unit rate is kind of like it's the same thing as these ratios that we just found right here. Okay? And when we divided it and found these decimals right here, that is our unit rates. Okay? So for our 2 recipes that were equal, what is our unit rate? It's this 0.4 right here. That's our unit rate. So let's go back and plug that in. For these 2 recipes, the unit rate of pineapple juice to punch is 0.4. Yes. Now our last question says, if Rudy used either of these 2 recipes to make 3 cups of punch, there would be blank cups of pineapple juice in the batch. Okay, so 3 cups of punch. Let's go back. If we have 3 cups of punch, they want to know how many cups of pineapple juice there would be.